Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at gold for this week. Now, before I continue, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. If there's anything you would want to say, or if there's anything you have to say, make sure you actually say it in the comment section. I would watch out for it. So we would look at our gold for this week. Right, last week, right, when I did analysis on gold, I warned you guys that a correction is going to play out. You should be very, very careful before you take that buy. I mean, to those that have never watched it, you can go back to watch it. I tell you guys that a correction will play out. When that correction plays out, you cannot go ahead to take that buy. Guess what we actually had? At first, price was actually going bullish. A lot of traders actually thought that this was actually a bullish move, and guess what? Price eventually dropped and it took out a lot of traders. I know a lot of traders actually lost on this gold. I know a lot of them about a lot of them actually lost on this gold because they thought gold will actually continue to go bullish. But because I have had an experience on this, I knew a correction will actually play out first, and this is exactly what has happened. That correction has played out. Then gold started giving us this bullish move. This bullish move came as a result of this interest rates increase in interest rates. One of the reasons was that DXY was actually falling that day when the Fed actually increased interest rates. They talked about increasing the interest rates one more time before they start cutting down on it. DXY started falling. That is why gold started giving us that bullish move. So I'm not so surprised that gold actually gave us that bullish move that day. Right now, what gold is giving us is a correction. Now, this correction, we are very much likely to have that correction to a level of 1950 to a level of 1940. So within that two level, gold is very much likely to give us that drop. Then another movement will actually play out. So be very, very careful before you jump on this trade. You need to be very, very careful because once you enter in the wrong time, once you go ahead and take your buy in the wrong time, you are very much likely to get stopped out, and that will be very, very unfortunate, right? So if in case you are interested in good analysis, you are interested in good setup, then check out this channel, sign up, right? Because on this channel we major on five things. One, Nasdaq 100. If in case you trade Nasdaq 100, or you are interested in trading Nasdaq 100, or you need setup on Nasdaq 100, you need to sign up so you get it here. If in case you are interested in US 30, or you trade US 30, you need to sign up here and become one of our Patreon subscriber. Or you trade S&P 500, you need to set up on S&P 500, right? You need to sign up on this so you get it. Or you trade gold that I'm just analyzing now. If in case you're interested in setup on gold, then you need to sign up here so you get analysis on it. So far, I've given out some gold analysis, and I can boldly say that we've actually had only one failed trade on gold. Yes, I can boldly tell you that there's only one failed trade on gold we've gotten. So other gold analysis or setup we're giving out have actually hit our profits. Only one we actually had, which was a fail. And it was during that banking crisis. It was during this period there, during that banking crisis. We expected gold to drop, but it actually went up. One of the reasons why it actually went up because gold was a safe haven currency. When a lot of banks were closing up, like Silicon Valley Bank, Silvergate and everything. So, it never came to my mind that gold will actually rise up. A lot of, investors were putting their money in gold. That is why gold actually spiked up. It was then, actually had a field trade. So that is the only one time. So the rest trade that I've gained out on gold are actually positive. So if in case you're interested in setup on analysis on gold, definitely you need to sign up to this channel, become one of our Patreon subscribers, and you'll get set up an analysis on gold. So back to this my analysis, like I said, I may expect a correction. That correction could be a huge one. In short, we are very much likely to see that correction to a level of 1934. Yes, we are very much likely to see it. I mean, take a look at this 4-hour time frame. We are very much likely to see that correction to take out these lows, right? In 1934, to 1920, that place before gold start going up. So everything I'm going to cover it on this channel because we'll be expecting some major news on the USD this week. You can see one we'll be expecting on Tuesday, and another one on Thursday, right? So basically, this news that we'll be expecting, we can see one on Friday again. these things I will be expecting will have an effect on our DXY. And once there's an effect on DXY, then expect a movement on gold. So we are going to cover everything on this channel. So once you sign up, you'll get access to our trade for gold. Like I said, this gold, we are very much likely to see a small correction or a bigger one before gold starts going up. So if in case you're interested, then sign up to this channel so you get access to this our analysis.